Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, H sign. This reading is about your person's current feelings and their intention, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your person's current feelings. Capricorn, your person's current feelings towards you. Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Four of Pentacles. Under the deck, Five of Swords. There are some disturbances between you and your person, and for some there are some misunderstandings also. Five of Swords energy, but your person want to fix the things between you and your person. Yeah, they want to end the fight. Okay, they want to end the misunderstandings. And let's about the reading. Their feelings, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they're returning to you. If you're in separation, if you're in no contact, they're coming back. They're thinking about to come back, and but it is very slow moving energy. Capricorn, Knight of Pentacles, but this is very stable offer, and this time your person is very sincere. Yeah, because Knight of Pentacles is this is very sincere person but very slow moving. But Nine of Wands with Four of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. But right, yeah, they decided to come back, and they're thinking about to come back. But maybe they right now they guarded up. Yeah, they will come back to you, but it will take some time, because right now your person holding back their feelings, thinking about some past hurts. Maybe you hurt them in past. Maybe they are very scared about that. Even though they have feelings for you, even though they have so much love for you, but right now your person guarded up. Yeah, they're thinking about how to approach you, but right now they're guarded up. And Four of Pentacles, they're holding back their feelings. Yeah, they're not expressing their true feelings to you, Capricorn. But they really want to offer this stability and long-term commitment to you, but they are not expressing. With these two cards, they are not expressing their true feelings to you. Yeah, but they want to offer this commitment to you. Yeah, they want to come back, but it will take time, but they will come back. Very slow moving energy. Yeah, they're thinking about to come back, but it will take some time, because right now your person getting lot of thoughts from past. Maybe your person have some past baggage also. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you. And Five of Swords energy also. Definitely there are some past hurts between both of you. And again, this deck under Hermit. Yeah, your person is spiritually awakening. Right now they're feeling alone. They're isolated from all and undergoing some spiritual awakening. They're seeing everything in detail and getting spiritual awakening. That's why they're holding back their thinking, but they're coming back. They're willing to coming back. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. The Moon, Four of Cups, Princess of Wands. Under the deck, the Fool. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you, and they want to take leap of faith. Yeah, their actions wise, but still your person thinking about disturbances or differences between both of you, because the Moon, maybe they are hiding something from you, or you hiding something from them, something mysterious in this connection, and they are thinking about a lot. Maybe they're scared. I think they're scared to reach out to you. And Four of Cups, yeah, they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you if you are in separation. Four of Cups, Maybe they're undergoing some healing process, meditation due to past hurts. And yeah, Princess of Wands, one person is younger than the other person in this connection, and one person is very good looking, and they want to message you, they want to communicate with you, because Princess of Wands, communication. Yeah, you will get some message or communication from your person, and they're thinking their action are, first they will approach through communication. Yeah, they're coming back, they really want to come back. Knight of Pentacles, and they're sincerely thinking about you, because this is not a in and out of energy. They want to come back and be with you forever, that type of energy. But they're thinking a lot of things about before coming towards you. Maybe they're getting scared, maybe they're thinking about past hurts a lot, but they will approach you, and they will make they will call you, or they will message you some communication. Then things will get better between both of you. But there are something mysterious, they're thinking about something mysterious in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, the moon card. And there are a lot of illusions, maybe that could be an illusion that your person thinking about. Okay. And Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy and water energy is here, and earth energy also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Capricorn. Yeah. Again, communication message. Page of Pentacles, some apology, communication is coming in your way. And the Tower with 8 of Cups. Yeah, one person is walked away from this connection. It could be you or your person, but according to this reading, it could be your person. Now they're feeling regret for that. They have regrets, because this decision creates the Tower moment for them. They're really feeling undergoing some Tower moment right now, because they walked away from you, but now they want to come back. They want to message you, they want to communicate with you, but still they are holding back, because they're scared that you reject them. Whatever the reason could be, but they're thinking about you a lot, and they're also sad for the missed opportunity with you, and they really want to come back. Maybe they hurt you past, that's why they're holding back. Maybe for some it could be third party situation involved. Maybe they are thinking that they are not good enough for you. It could be any reason. Yeah, communication, 8 of Wands. Lots of communication is going to be happen between both of you in near future. Capricorn. Yeah, you are waiting for them to reach out to you. And King of Cups. Yeah, here they come. Definitely they will approach you, and they will offer this cup of love to you, Capricorn. And you are turn your back from your person, because what they did to you in past. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, you are waiting for them. Some waiting game is also going between you and your person. And yeah, there is some moment is coming in this relationship if you are in no contact or separation. Maybe for some on and off communication or less communication. Definitely there will be back and forth communication between both of you in near future. There is communication. And you also waiting for your person to reach out to you. Definitely they will reach out. But it will take some time. Right now your person is guarded up and holding back. It could be any reason. See, that's why the mutual energy, 7 of Swords. Maybe one person in this connection is very sneaky, playing games and manipulative, that type. That's why one person is turned their back from the other, but one person realizing the other person worth and want to come back. Again, 8 of Pentacles. This time your person is really know what they did to you and want to work on this relationship. I think a lot of work is needed in this relationship right now. One person is giving, but another person is only taking. Okay. So this time to work on this relationship. Yeah, it could be your person really want to work on this relationship. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Capricorn. Yeah, there is communication coming. Then it's up to you, depending upon your situation, which decision you have to make. Capricorn. Okay. nothing is at set in stone. Yeah, definitely, because it is very slow moving energy. They're making their mind to come towards you. It will take some time, because right now they're holding back, they're guarded up. It will take time to come towards you, then they will communicate with you. Okay, this is the message from universe. And I want another. Your dreams need a practical plan. Okay, so if you want to achieve anything in your life, so you need a practical plan. Okay, before achieving anything, you have to prepare a plan. Okay, so this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.